mistakes that were made. And so approximately 1% of the redactions had to be fixed after we released the Epstein files.
How long do you intend to put up with that Kash Patel character? Are you good with his airplane jaunts? Are you confident he's not drinking on the job?
That's an extraordinarily obnoxious question, Senator, and I have full faith in Director Patel and the work that he's doing every day.
Do you have a sense why he fired your predecessor?
I have no idea.
The files. You said you don't know the number of times Trump's name appears in the files, so it could at least be 1,000 times. Is that right?
The number is a total misleading factor. We have not released anyone's name in the Epstein files that has not been credible.
Director, could it at least be 1,000 times?
We have released every piece of legally permissible information.
Okay,
you can characterize the numbers however you want it.
Reclaiming my time, Director. It sounds like if you don't know the number, it could at least be 1,000 times. Which
it's not.
Me.
It's not.
Is it at least 500 times?
No.
Is it at least 100 times?
No.
Then what's the number?
I don't know the number, but it's not that.
Do you think it might be your job to know the number?
My job is to provide for the safety and security of this country. My job is not to engage in political innuendo so you can go out to the sticks and get your 20-second hit in your fundraising article. Keep going, reclaiming your time, because the people of California are being underserved by your representation.
If the president is not implicated, why not release everything that involves him?
We have released everything, the president and anyone else's side, that is credible and lawfully be able to be released. Your fixation on this matter and baseless accusations that I'm hiding child pedophiles is disgusting. Anyone that says that needs to look at the stats alone and go back to the state of California, who's receiving the biggest surge in FBI resources through my redeployment because the cities of Los Angeles, San Diego, and San Francisco need it.
That seems clearly like a reward. The Department of Justice is also responsible that powerful corporations play by the same rules. Let's take a proposed merger between Paramount, Warner Brothers, and Discovery. This is no ordinary transaction. It was a proposed $111 billion merger involving two of the last remaining legacy Hollywood studios. As Deputy Attorney General and later Acting Attorney General, you exercised oversight of the Antitrust Division. You approved the decision to close the department's investigation into that merger, yes or no?
I was part of the decision. I
yes,
don't know
you were involved in that.
You don't even let me answer, man.
Did the career attorneys who investigated that deal recommend closing that investigation?
I didn't have a conversation with the career, but as I was saying
I didn't ask you that. I asked you, did the career attorneys who investigated the deal recommend closing the investigation?
I have no idea what they were.
You were in charge of that department, yet you have no idea. Well,
I didn't say I had no idea. It's no idea about the question you asked, about what the career attorney's view was.
You do not know what the career attorney's view was?
I'm not sure what the view was with respect to closing it or not closing it.
Let me tell you why ethics laws that bind you about the appearance of impropriety are so damning in this case. On the same day that Paramount shareholders voted to approve the merger, David Ellison, the head of the acquiring company, hosted a dinner that you attended honoring the President of the United States. While you were at that dinner, the DOJ was still investigating a merger. Did you speak with Mr. Ellison on that evening?
No.
The Senate member exposed the Kash Patel. His question was valid and straightforward. All the files are available on the social media. We know that Trump files are also available. Then why Kash Patel not say and not give answer? He should give the answer yes or no. He just skip the question. It's not good. We know Trump's files are also available. He should give the proper statement on the basis of the facts. Give your opinion in the comment section. I will appreciate your opinion.
Because the cities of Los Angeles, San Diego, and San Francisco need it.
Director, remembering your oath to tell the truth, did you ever tell Donald Trump his name is in the files?
I have never spoken to President Trump about the Epstein files.
Did you ever tell the Attorney General that Donald Trump's name is in the Epstein files?
The Attorney General and I have had numerous discussions about the entirety of the Epstein files and the reviews conducted by our team.
Did you tell the Attorney General that Donald Trump's name is in the Epstein files?
And we have released where President Trump's name is in the Attorney's
It's a simple question.
file.
Did you tell the Attorney General that the President's name is in the Epstein files?
During many conversations that the Attorney General and I have had on the matter of Epstein, we have reviewed.
The question is simple.
Who
did you tell the Attorney General that Donald Trump's name is in the Epstein files? Yes or no?
Why don't you try spelling it out if you're
Yes
going to mock
or no, Director?
Use the alphabet.
Yes or no?
No? A, B, C,
Director,
D, E, F?
it sounds like you don't want to tell us. Did you tell the Attorney General that Donald Trump's name was in the Epstein files?
Why don't you try serving your
Director,
constituency
did
by
you tell the
focusing on
Attorney
reducing
General that
violent
Donald
crime in this
Trump's name-
country and the number of pedophiles that are
Director,
legally
reclaiming my
harbored in
time,
your
Director.
sanctuary cities in
Director,
California?
reclaiming
I'll
my
work with
time.
you on that. Do
Regular
you want
order,
to
Mr.
work with us
Chairman.
on that?
Director,
I
reclaiming my
belongs to the
time.
gentleman from California.
Did you tell the Attorney General that Donald Trump's name is in the Epstein files?
Question
Yes or no?
has been asked and answered.
You've not answered it, and we will take your evasiveness as a consciousness of guilt. Director, did Donald Trump ever say to you, just find and release the entire truth? Don't worry if I'm in it?
The instructions from the administration were to release all credible information, and we have done that.
Did Donald Trump ever provide information about Jeffrey Epstein as an informant?
Donald Trump has not been, and I can only speak for the FBI, an informant of the FBI.
So, Director, you've played this cute shell game where you say you can't release everything because the court has said that it legally is not allowed to be released, but the court calls bullshit. Judge Richard Berman said that when you went to the court, quote, information contained in the Epstein grand jury transcripts pales in comparison to Epstein investigation information and materials in the hands of the Department of Justice. So let's move on, Director. You wrote a book called Government Ga-
Hello everyone. The Senate member have shocked the Attorney General and the Kash Patel. They were exposed and they were failed in giving the question to the Senate members, and they are failed in giving all the proof to the public that they have promised. First, the Kash Patel was exposed. He was just crying or trying to running away from the question. Why he not give an answer? You should give answer yes or no, because many files are released that involve the Trump images and the photo. You should comment on the that question whether Trump has role or not in it. You should comment. You cannot give I not have answer. I not political. When his images are included, was included, then you should give comment and give the facts and the figure. You are trying to hide the Trump. You are trying to hide the powerful people. You just not give the answer. That's why. It's not good. Give your opinion in the comment section, everyone. I need your opinion. And this, secondly, Attorney General was also exposed. Similarly, he trying to away from the question that he by every question he give no, 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 no. You are a Attorney General. You are responsible to give the facts and the figure to the people. But you cannot give no, 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 no. It's not good. Not good. Very bad. You both are exposed. Both Attorney General and the hospital both are exposed today. You should give the answer. You are not give the answer. Why cannot you cannot give the answer? You are trying to hide the people. You are trying to prevent the powerful people that are included in the Epstein file. You are trying to protect the criminal. You are not trying to capture the criminal. You are just trying to protect the criminal. It's not good. You are talking about law prohibited this, law prohibited law prohibited to capture the law not prohibited to capture the crimes. You should capture all the crimes. You are not working. You should are just influenced by the powerful minds. Everyone give opinion in the comment section. I will appreciate your opinion.